Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Hi, Sarah. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here with you again.
We're so happy you joined us today. Thank you for listening. Today, we have a very important topic. Sometimes, when you learn English, you feel tired. You feel like you want to stop, but don't give up. We are here to help you keep going.
That's right, Sarah. Learning English is not always easy. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel stuck. But remember, every day you practice, you get better. Even small steps are important.
Exactly, Jack. And today, we will practice English conversation together. We will use simple words and easy sentences. We will also talk about how to stay motivated when you feel tired.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this episode with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And we love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us about your English journey. Are you feeling tired? What helps you keep going?
Okay, Sarah, let's start with a simple question. Have you ever felt tired when learning English?
Oh, yes, Jack. Many times. Sometimes I feel tired after a long day. Sometimes I feel like I am not making progress. But I remember every small step is a step forward.
That's true. I feel tired sometimes too, but I try to remember why I started learning. I want to speak with people from other countries. I want to travel. I want to make new friends. These dreams help me keep going.
That's a great idea, Jack. For everyone listening, think about your reason for learning English. Why do you want to learn English? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to watch movies in English. Your reason is important.
Let's practice a conversation. I will be the learner, and you can be the friend.
Okay, let's try.
Hi, Sarah. I feel tired today. I don't want to study English.
I understand, Jack. It's okay to feel tired. But remember, you are doing a great job. Every day you practice, you get better.
Thank you, Sarah. Sometimes I feel like I am not learning fast enough.
That's normal, Jack. Learning a language takes time. Be patient with yourself. Even 5 minutes of practice is good.
You're right. Maybe I can study for just a few minutes today.
Yes, even a little practice is helpful. And tomorrow, you can try again.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel better now.
You're welcome, Jack. Remember, don't give up.
Sarah, do you have any tips for staying motivated?
Yes, Jack. I like to listen to English music. It makes me happy. Sometimes I watch a short video in English, or I talk to a friend in English. These small things help me feel better.
That's a good idea. I also like to set small goals. For example, today I will learn 3 new words, or I will practice speaking for 5 minutes. When I finish, I feel proud.
For everyone listening, what is one small goal you can set today? Maybe you can learn a new word. Maybe you can listen to an English song. Try it and see how you feel.
Let's do another conversation. This time, you are the learner and I am the friend.
Okay.
Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
Hi, Jack. I am a little tired. I studied English yesterday, but I made many mistakes.
That's okay, Sarah. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake helps you learn something new.
Thank you, Jack. Sometimes I feel shy when I speak English.
That's normal. Many people feel shy. But the more you practice, the more confident you will become.
I will try to practice a little every day.
That's great, Sarah. Remember, don't give up. You are doing well.
Thank you, Jack. I will keep going.
Sarah, sometimes I feel like I am not making progress. I am still making mistakes.
That's okay, Jack. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake helps you get better. Don't be too hard on yourself.
Thank you, Sara. Sometimes I forget how much I have learned.
You have learned a lot, Jack. Remember to celebrate your progress, even the small steps.
I will try to remember that. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Jack. We are all learning together.
Sarah, sometimes I feel shy when I speak English. What can I do?
That's a good question, Jack. Many people feel shy. One way to feel more confident is to practice speaking out loud, even if you are alone. You can talk to yourself in English or read a book out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
That's helpful, Sarah. I will try to speak out loud every day.
Great. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The important thing is to keep trying.
For everyone listening, remember, you are not alone. We're here with you, and so are many other learners around the world.
Jack, do you remember a time when you felt really tired but still kept going with your English?
Yes, Sarah. Last year, I was very busy with work. I had little time to study, but I decided to listen to English podcasts while I was on the bus. Even if I was tired, I listened for 10 minutes every day. After a few weeks, I noticed I could understand more words. That made me feel proud and gave me more energy to keep going.
That's a great example, Jack. Sometimes small changes in your routine can help you keep learning, even when you are tired. For everyone listening, maybe you can find a small way to add English to your day, even if you are busy or tired.
Sarah, what about you? Did you ever feel like giving up?
Yes, Jack. When I first started learning English, I felt very tired after work. But I joined an online group where people practiced English together. We talked for just 15 minutes every evening. It was fun, and I made new friends. That helped me stay motivated.
That's wonderful, Sarah. Having friends or a group can really help. If you feel tired, maybe you can find someone to practice with, even for a short time.
Yes, Jack. And remember, everyone, your English journey is special. Every small step is important. We are here to help you, and we will keep practicing together. Let's keep going, Jack. I think it's helpful to talk about different ways people can make English practice part of their daily life, even when they feel tired or busy. Sometimes we think we need a lot of time to study, but even a few minutes can make a difference.
That's true, Sarah. For example, you can listen to an English song while you get ready in the morning, or read a short article during your lunch break. Some people like to write a few sentences about their day in a notebook before bed. These small habits help you stay connected to English even on busy or difficult days.
I agree, Jack. And sometimes changing your routine can make learning feel fresh again. If you usually read, try listening. If you usually study alone, try talking to someone. If you feel bored, find a new topic that interests you. The important thing is to keep English in your life, even in small ways.
Sarah, do you think it's okay to take a break sometimes?
Yes, Jack, I do. Everyone needs a break. If you feel very tired, it's okay to rest. Sometimes, after a short break, you come back with more energy and a clearer mind. The key is not to stop completely. Even if you take a break, try to come back to English when you feel ready.
That's good advice. I remember one week when I was very busy and didn't study at all. At first, I felt bad, but then I started again with just 5 minutes a day. Soon, I was back in my routine. It's normal to have ups and downs.
Yes, Jack. Learning a language is a long journey. There will be easy days and hard days. The important thing is to keep moving forward, even if it's slow. And remember, you are not alone. Many people feel the same way.
Sarah, let's talk about motivation. Sometimes people lose motivation because they don't see progress. What can they do?
That's a great question, Jack. One thing that helps is to look back at what you have already learned. Maybe you can read an old notebook or listen to a recording of yourself from a few months ago. You'll see that you have improved, even if it's just a little. Celebrate your progress no matter how small.
I like that idea. Sometimes I write down new words I learn each week. After a month, I look at my lists and feel proud. It's a good way to see your progress.
Another way to stay motivated is to set small, clear goals. For example, you can decide to learn 5 new words this week or have one short conversation in English. When you reach your goal, give yourself a reward. It can be something simple like a favorite snack or a relaxing walk.
That's a good tip, Sarah. I also think it helps to remember your reason for learning English. Maybe you want to travel, get a new job, or talk to friends from other countries. When you feel tired, think about your goal. It can give you new energy.
Yes, Jack, and sometimes sharing your goal with someone else can help. If you tell a friend or family member about your goal, they can encourage you and help you stay on track.
Sarah, let's do another short conversation. This time, I'll be the learner who feels tired, and you can be the friend who gives support.
Okay, let's start.
Hi, Sarah. I feel really tired today. I don't want to study English.
I understand, Jack. Some days are hard, but remember, you have already learned so much. Maybe just do a little today, and that's enough. You can try again tomorrow.
Thank you, Sarah. I think I will listen to a short podcast today. That feels easier.
That's a great idea, Jack. Even a little practice is good. You are doing well.
Thanks, Sarah. I feel better now.
You're welcome, Jack. Remember, you are not alone. Many people feel tired sometimes, but you are still making progress.
Sarah, do you have any stories about students who felt tired but kept going?
Yes, Jack. I remember one student who worked long hours every day. She was always tired, but she listened to English on her way to work. After a few months, she could understand more and more. She told me that even when she was tired, she felt proud because she didn't give up.
That's inspiring, Sarah. It shows that small steps really do add up over time.
Exactly, Jack. For everyone listening, remember that your effort matters. Even if you feel tired, every minute you spend with English is a step forward.
Sarah, what about making mistakes? Sometimes people feel bad when they make mistakes, and that makes them want to stop.
That's a good point, Jack. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep going. Don't let mistakes stop you. They are signs that you are trying and learning.
I agree, Sarah. Sometimes I laugh at my mistakes and try again. It helps me feel less stressed.
That's a great attitude, Jack. Learning can be fun, even when it's hard. If you can smile and keep going, you will make progress.
Let's keep this conversation going, Sarah. I think our listeners will feel better knowing they are not alone and that everyone has difficult days.
Yes, Jack, we are all on this journey together. Let's keep helping each other and keep moving forward.
Sarah, I think today's talk will help a lot of people. Sometimes just hearing that others feel tired or make mistakes too can make you feel less alone.
I agree, Jack. Everyone has days when they feel tired or want to give up. But what matters is that you keep going, even if it's just a little at a time. Every small step is important.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep trying. If you feel tired, it's okay. Take a short break, do something you enjoy, and then come back to English when you're ready.
We hope today's conversation gave you some new ideas and a little more motivation. You are not alone on this journey. We are here with you, and so are many other learners around the world.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Dream Speak English, like this video, and share it with your friends. We love reading your comments, so tell us, what helps you stay motivated when you feel tired?
Thank you for spending your time with us today. We are proud of you for not giving up and for practicing your English, even on the hard days.
Keep going, keep practicing, and remember, every day you are getting better.
We'll see you next time on Dream Speak English. Take care and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.